and welcome to Blythe Bags. And today I'm going to be unboxing Fani Flamingo. This doll is like spectacular. She has the whole Florida theme. She's a Florida girl, and I lived in Florida for 15 years, so I consider myself a Florida girl too. And she is from 2019. She's from the summer of 2019, so she's a Takata Tomy doll. And I saw her unbox on March Payne's channel, March Payne's Midlife Dolly Crisis. I love his channel. He is one of the channels that I binge watched all summer. And I saw him unbox her, and I was like, I have to have this doll. And he actually, I believe he got her off of CC Toys. And when I started watching him, and he gets quite a few dolls off of CC Toys, and that's how I found them. And I was able to get her. And I just love the stock. This doll comes with a lot of stock. She's wearing a dress that has little tiny flamingos in the pattern and palm fronds, and she has the sunglasses and earrings and a tiny little bikini and a pool float with a flamingo on there. So I have my flamingo on today so I could be a Florida girl like her. I'm hoping I'm a Florida girl again soon, but it's taking a little longer than we thought. But that's our goal, is to get back to Florida. And I was just really excited to get this doll. Like I said, I got her in the summer. I think I got her in maybe August or the beginning of September. So I was very happy to get her. It just made me feel like Florida. So let's see what it says about her now. It says, I can't wait to relax and take it easy this summer. Cooling off by the pool, watching the sunset on the beach, and even having a seaside dinner. I'm going to wear my favorite flamingo outfits at the hotel. And let's see what it says about her. Her face type is Radiance Plus. Her face color is fair. Well, I have other dolls that are more fair than she is. Her makeup is brown eyeshadow and salmon pink cheeks. Her eye colors are blue front facing, light blue right facing, green front facing, and pink left facing. So I'm going to say that the light blue right facing, which is what they're showing now, that would be a special color. Because if they don't have a special color, typically it's just blue, green, orange, and pink. So she's got light blue. Her eyelids are default. Her eyelashes are brown. Her hair color is blonde, and she's very blonde. And her earrings are heart shaped. She has the salmon pink manicure, and her set includes the doll, her one piece, was I'm guessing that's her dress. So the doll, the dress, her swimsuit, her hat. She has a big floppy hat. Sunglasses, earrings, her floating tube, shoes, her stand, and she was available on June 1st, 2019, and she was 17,900 yen. And I don't remember what I paid for her. I think at that time she was on sale, because CC Toys changes up the dolls that they have on sale. So I believe at that time she was on sale, and I'm glad I got her, because like shortly after then she was not on sale anymore. So if you see something that's on sale while you're on there, grab it, because it doesn't mean that it's going to still be on sale the next month. Sometimes they switch out the dolls. So that's her story. Let's see what she looks like when we get her out of the box. Okay, so here she is inside of her box. You can see her eyes, that special color there, and the cool theming on her box with all the flamingos. And now let's go ahead and try to get her out of here. Not sure if that did it or not, but we'll see. Okay. Oh. This is just like a customer support number for the Tote. Sometimes they're right on top of the box. Sometimes they're at the bottom of the box. Oh, she came right out. Cool. And here she is. Oh, she is so cute. Look at her little bikini here. It's so sweet. And her sunglasses and the big floppy hat. Oh, so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this part now, which takes forever, and then I will be back. Okay, I think I got it all out. I see that her tube is trying to come out. So here's her stand. We have pink, and her part of the stand there. Let's see the hat. Oh, it's so cute. It is like a flopsy beach hat. So, it's so cute. And they stuff it so it holds its shape, although it's very flopsy, so it's not really going to hold its shape. Here's her shoes. Little white heels. Oh, they're adorable. Look at how cute these are. Those are right in the left there. Cute. And get her floats. That one's the oh, that is it's so cute. Like a little pool float. So cute. And her bikini. Oh, these are the bottoms. Little bathing suit bottoms. And the top, if I can get it out. Okay. Oh, so I'm so glad. This almost got cut. It was on the back of the box. I was like, what's that blue ribbon? But luckily I didn't cut it. But so cute. Little bikini. And her earrings. Little heart earrings. Cute. Cute little heart earrings there. And her sunglasses. So you've got to put them together, but pink sunglasses. And let's see if now, okay, let's see if we can get her out now easily. It's okay. This thing is always a hard thing to cut from the back. Just never wants to. Okay, so her legs are free. Her hair. Okay, she should come right out. Yep. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's beautiful. What a beautiful doll. Those eyes. Okay, let me get the plastic off and then we'll change her eye colors. So here she is, and those are her right facing blue. They're beautiful. Let's go ahead now and see. Oh, those are the front facing blue. The left facing pink. They actually look good on her. And the front facing green. That's a nice green too. But I like those special blue because they have like a little bit of aqua into them. So I'm going to go ahead now and take all of her plastic off and get her on the stand. Her hair feels good. It doesn't feel like it has a lot of product in it, and it's not overly heavy. Like I recently opened, was it Cloris Country Life? Her hair was very heavy, but her hair is not. It feels pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like when we get her on her stand and all of her accessories on. So, okay, so there is Fani Flamingo in her cute little bathing suit. Her top slipped down a little bit. I did an extra crisscross there to keep the top from slipping. And here's a little flamingo pool float. I just think she's adorable. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of her outfit on, the hat and everything, the sunglasses. But I wanted to see the bathing suit, and it's adorable. She looks really cute. Okay, well, here she is with her hat and her flamingo pool float and the sunglasses and the dress and the shoes. I just left the bathing suit underneath and untied the straps because I don't want to lose anything. And if it's under there, fine. So there she is. I can't stop laughing. She's adorable, and I love like the floppy pool hat and the glasses. And I just think she's adorable. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you like the perfect bag for Fani Flamingo. Okay, we've seen the Blythe, adorable as she is. Now let's see the bag. This is a Spartina bag. They're a brand that started in South Carolina and is very like resort boutique chic. And I saw this bag in Florida when we were visiting my in-laws in Vero Beach. I saw this bag in one of the really fancy boutiques there on the promenade. And I was like, I have to have this bag. So, and it's actually one of my birthday bags. It's just been waiting to get opened. So let's see. Oh, I love the inside of the box already. Wow, look at how cool the box is. It says, for the love of low country, which is what they call South Carolina. Since Spartina's inception, our love for the low country of South Carolina has been at the heart of every design, from patterns of southern flora and fauna to our support of the Daifusiki Island Historical Society. And we're just writing one big love letter to the place where we call home, to the Spanish moss, the sandy beaches, the salt marshes, ancient live oaks, and to the peace it brings to us all. Come along with us this season and discover all of the reasons you'll love Low Country too. And it's Spartina 449. And I love South Carolina. We go to Hilton Head all the time. We would go every year for like 12 years in a row. And I was so excited to see this bag. The box is beautiful. Put this down. Okay, so let's see. Now that it's the summer, I could use this bag. It really wasn't a good bag for February, but I could use this bag now. So cool. And it is the Greetings in Florida bag. And it's really nice. Now, this is leather. And here's their signature mermaid. Very cool. And oh, I'm so excited to see this bag. It came in another size, a much larger size, but I would never carry it if it was that big. So I opted for this size. They have other styles as well, but I opted for this size because for me, this is a good size. Let's see. Very nice. Oh, it's like so vibrant pink on the inside. And greetings from Spartina. It's beautiful. The leather feels good. Oh, and there's cute little girls at the beach with the beach ball on the pockets and a surfer. This is adorable. So let me go ahead and take this off. And I also got the wristlet. I wanted the wallet, but they were sold out of the wallet. And I actually found this on QVC. They didn't have this size bag. They had the very big bag. And so I got this off of Spartina, and I got this from QVC. So let me go ahead and get this stuff open, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all unpacked. Okay, so I got all the wrapping off. This leather feels great. This, of course, is a coated canvas. The straps and the trim are leather, and it has the map of Florida on here. Here's Orlando. I lived in Central Florida, so I love this. Cocoa Beach. Here's Vero Beach, Jupiter Island. Jupiter is absolutely beautiful, stunningly beautiful. I have a friend who lives there, and when we went there, we were like, this place is fantastic. Jupiter is gorgeous. And on the back, it has like the top of Florida. So there's Georgia, Tallahassee, and Daytona is over here, St. Augustine. This is just really cool. Like for somebody who lived in Florida, this is great. And they have other bags too. They have like a Jersey Shore one. They have a Hilton Head one. I think they have a New York City one. They have quite a few different ones, but Florida's my heart, so I got Florida. And then here is the wristlet. Now I thought this was going to be smaller. It's quite large, and it comes with a strap, so you can wear it like a crossbody, which is really cool. There's two little rings here if you wanted to wear it as a crossbody. I was going to use it as a wallet, but I'm just going to just keep checking to see when the wallet is back in stock. But it's really cute. I love it. Very cute. Like I could use this going away. Like we're going to Florida again. I would bring this with me because it's easy to just carry your. I don't know if my phone would fit in here. I guess when the strap comes out, the phone would fit in there. But I love it. And now I will show you the bag up close. Okay, so here is the Spartina bag up close. And the mermaid, it's like its own bag charm, and it's like very weighty. And there's the map of Florida there, and the cool girl here, the retro girl with the beach ball, and the flamingo. And then here's the back. Like I said, it has the top of Florida. There's Gainesville, Daytona there. And the bottom, oh, let me do it this way. Look at how cute the bottom is. It has feet on there, the little mermaids. And I love how the handles are adjustable. You normally see that on a tote bag. And then the inside of the bag, I don't know if you can see, but there's a girl with a beach ball there and Florida oranges in the middle and a surfer. And it says greetings from Spartina. And it's just a really, really pretty bag. And I love it. I'm so happy with this. I'm really going to use this when we go away. I can't wait. So let me go ahead and style the bag with Fani Flamingo now. Okay, well, there is Miss Fanny Flamingo in my Florida Spartina bag. I really love this all, and I love the pairing. I think they're perfect together, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and we will see you the next time.